Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're featuring what might just be the best kids' motion sickness glasses available right now. The Hion motion sickness glasses. Whether you're planning a family road trip, a cruise, or even a flight, and your child is prone to nausea or vertigo, you'll want to stick around. These glasses offer a drug-free, science-backed solution that's lightweight, portable, and incredibly simple to use. At first glance, the Hion glasses might look a little quirky. They don't have lenses, and instead, they feature circular frames filled with liquid. But the design serves a specific purpose, and it's backed by real science. The glasses are crafted from imported TPE material, soft, elastic, and ultra-durable. They're also foldable, removable, and extremely lightweight, coming in at just 35 grams. That makes them easy to pack in a carry-on, handbag, or even your pocket when not in use. For kids, comfort is crucial, and Hion delivers with a unique nose pad that keeps the glasses from slipping off. Plus, thanks to a right-angled beam at the center, the glasses maintain their shape and ensure a snug fit across various head sizes. So, how do they actually work? The magic is in the liquid-filled rings. When a person moves, whether on a car ride, plane, or boat, the liquid inside the rings shifts and simulates an artificial horizon in the user's peripheral vision. This helps synchronize the signals received by the eyes and the balance system in the inner ear. The result is a more stable sense of orientation and reduced motion-induced nausea. It's a completely drug-free solution, so no side effects, no drowsiness, and no worries about dosage or timing. This kind of innovation is often called black technology. It sounds futuristic, but it's based on simple and natural principles. Best of all, the effects can start to show in just 10 to 14 minutes of use. Using the Hion motion sickness glasses is easy. If your child begins to feel dizzy while traveling, just have them focus on a stationary object like a book or a phone while wearing the glasses. After about 10 to 14 minutes, the nausea should subside. Once they start feeling better, they can even remove the glasses, and the effects often continue beyond that point. They're ideal for more than just car rides. Think amusement parks, flights, boat rides, or even video games that can trigger motion discomfort. This is a practical tool that fits into many daily and travel scenarios. The value here is impressive. The pack includes 2 pairs of Hion motion sickness glasses, which is perfect for families with more than one child or even to keep a spare pair at school or in the car. Although this version comes without storage bags, the glasses are built to last and can easily be wiped clean or tucked into a protective pouch of your own. Their compact size means they're always ready to travel with you. No complicated setup, no charging, and no hassle. In summary, the Hion motion sickness glasses are a smart, simple, and safe solution to an age-old problem. They combine clever design, innovative use of physics, and a kid-friendly fit that makes them an essential item for any travel bag. If your child struggles with motion sickness and you've been searching for a reliable solution without relying on medication, these glasses might just be the answer. That's it for today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've got questions or want to see more innovative health gadgets. See you in the next one.